Magnet right there. What's up, guys? What's going on? Your buddy Tiago here. So as you know from the title, this is a 2008 Chevy 2500 pickup HD. So what are we going to do today? We're going to change the differential cover and the fluid, and I'm going to show you real quick what you're going to need. And this stuff is pretty simple. There's about 14 bolts around, 13 millimeter bolts. And what you do is you get under it, you make sure that the top plug on the differential comes off first before you do anything, because the reason is if you don't fill it, you can't drain it, right? So you don't get stuck. So you drain it and then you can't fill it. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, so I got my cover here. Make sure that you call your dealer with your VIN number and make sure the size of the gear that's on your truck. This particular truck, this is a two-wheel drive, so it has a 10.5 cover for it, 14 bolt. I have some Amsoil, some good fluid, 75W.140-140. Now let's go under it. I'm going to show you real quick some tools that I'm using just to remove the rust around the bolts, and then you guys can go and do your own thing. I just have some ramps. I chalked the front of my truck. By the way, guys, this is a little new project that I got. I'll walk around. I'll have a video walking around. If you guys want a video with a walk around on this truck that I just got for I won't say it right now. I got this truck very cheap. This is 191,000. It has the 6.0 gas engine on it with the 6L90. So let's get under it. I'm going to show you the little wheel rust over there that I use just to take the rust around the bolt. So as you can tell right here, some of this the bolts has some surface rust on it. So what I do, I went to Harbor Freight and I got this wheel. It's like plastic. It's like a hard plastic, and this moves rust. So there's that bolt right there. It's not too hard on the bolt, and that cleans right up, so you can know exactly what size you need. See it? All right. So that cleans the surface rust all around it, so you can see the size of the bolt. There's a drain right there. This is a 3/8, I believe. Yep. Just clean it up, and that's the 3/8 right there. You drain that, but before you do the bottom one, you want to come and do this top one. Use the breaker bar, and as soon as you break this off, I threw a little penetrating fluid in there. As soon as this is off, and then you can go on and hit this one and start your whole job. So just make sure that top one is loose. All right. So yeah, I mean, pretty simple, guys. I have the gasket there. I have a little bit of a gasket sealer there just to hold some gasket maker just to hold the gasket in place, and a little bit of parts cleaner, and this right here, the torch, I use it just in case if that bolt doesn't want to come out. I want to heat it up a little bit just around it. What else I got? I got something else. Right here. Got this thread sealant as well. You want to put a little bit of thread sealant on the bottom plug that you're removing it for under the differential. Cover, gasket, little bit of maker, little bit of gasket maker, thread sealant on the bottom. Drain that, fill it up, put it back on. Very simple video, guys. Thank you. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up. Later. See ya. Bye. Guys, like my drain pillar, my drain bucket. When you're on the field, this is what you do. Get these oils here, cut it, the oil bucket, and cut it around. Let's see how this plug on this differential is doing while it drains a little bit. No thread sealing on this one. Let's see. Not bad at all. For 191,000. This is not bad. Not bad at all. This is the bottom plug, and I already broke the top plug. I just gotta take that off. Let's build this baby up. No magnet in there. Just a little normal wear there. Here's the gear. That's how a gear looks like on a, there's that plug. There's a magnet right there. There's a magnet right there, right here. There's most of the wear is right there. So we're gonna clean this up, clean the surfaces, put the gasket, put the bolts, fill it up, close it up. Let's go.